Let's talk about affiliate funnel clones, guys. That's why you're here. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm making this video. So you've probably seen affiliate funnel clones on social media. Maybe you look out for affiliate product launches. Well, this one just launched, and I decided to take a look into it, and I knew that there would be people searching for reviews, so I wanted to give you guys my honest review and go over the good and as well as the bad, because let's face it, a lot of these new products that come out, they're not always good, right? And I don't do this just to get affiliate commissions, right? So I want to make commissions with good products. So with that being said, let's talk about affiliate funnel clones. Okay, the good, the bad, and my honest review. Okay, so I value your time, guys. I value mine, so I'm going to keep this short and sweet because I know that's what you guys want. You just want to know a little bit more information about it before you decide to invest any money into it. So let's talk about the good. After I go over this, guys, I am going to walk you through the back office as well. So if you guys are just wanting to see the back office, just hang tight, and I will show you guys that as well. So the good, proven to convert capture pages. So just from the sound of the name, right? Affiliate funnel clones. These guys have made income. Promoting JVZoo products, Warrior Plus products, ClickBank products, and as you know, any good marketer out there is going to have their own funnels for these pages, right? It's not great to always be using the company pages. They're just, most people are going to do that, right? So they just get saturated, and you don't want that, right? They're not going to convert as good for you as they did for the company or when they first came out, right? So um, you're going to get capture pages, guys. Okay. You don't need a website. Why? Because they're giving these to you, and they're also going to host them. So the hosting is free. You don't need tech skills because you're not going to be building any funnels or any capture pages. Okay. So I've been online marketing for a couple years now, and that was the hardest thing for me to wrap my head around, was building these capture pages for different products, right? You can't just use one for multiple products. And it's not easy to do, because once you do that, you need to get traffic to it. You need to see how they convert. Then when you find out how they convert, you need to try to make them better. Well, these guys have already did that, so you do not have to do that, right? You can literally plug and play. The next thing, which I thought was pretty awesome, is you can integrate your autoresponder, guys. So Mailchimp, Aweber, GetResponse. You guys can build your own list. So sometimes with some of these companies, if you use their capture pages, they will keep those leads. Not affiliate funnel clones, guys. They allow you to integrate your autoresponder of your choice, and so you use their capture pages, but the leads go straight to your email autoresponder, which you can follow up with later. And if you guys aren't new to this, follow up is key. Okay. The money is in the list, but the fortune is in the follow up. So another good thing I saw in there that I thought was good for a lot of people is traffic training, right? So you get a little bit of traffic training, you get their traffic sources that they use to make tons of money with this product and with these various products that they use. Okay. It's all about traffic, guys. If you're not getting traffic, you're not getting leads. If you're not getting leads, you're definitely not getting sales. Okay. No sales, no business. And then the next thing, as I said, the fortunes in the follow up. So you do get email swipes, guys, and these are proven to convert. Why? Because these guys used them. Okay. They used them for these products. They made a crap ton of money, and they're allowing you to use it. So this is some of the good that I saw, and so just looking at this, if I was to tell you this, that's pretty awesome. I mean, it was to me, and like I said, I've been doing this for a couple years, so this is all good stuff. So let's talk about the bad, guys. The front end product, you only get 5 funnels, okay? But you see the but here, and I'll explain that. But you only get 5 funnels, but they have an upsell where you can get 25 more. So that would be a total of 30 funnels, guys. Like that means 30 funnels, 30 products, 30 streams of income coming through your PayPal account or wherever you guys you know collect your commissions. One of the other bad things that I noticed is that um, you can integrate your autoresponder, um, but you can't like what would be great, guys. And I just want to explain this. What would be great is for each funnel, you could add a different autoresponder list, if that makes sense. I'm not sure how familiar you guys are with autoresponders, but basically the way they have it set up, and maybe they're going to make a change. I do plan on putting in a support ticket about it. The way they have it is you integrate one list for all those funnels. So if you got 5 different products, they're all going to be going inside the same list. I prefer to keep my list separate for the product, right? So if I had a JVZoo X product, I want to send them to X list with a certain amount of a follow up, right? I don't want to mix them all in one list. So that was a drawback to me. Maybe not to you guys. Is it the worst thing ever? No, it's you can still make this work even with that. Um, so another thing I noticed is you don't get email swipes, for the front end product. If you want the email swipe, you have to upgrade. It's $27 to get those email swipes, and you get hundreds of them. I haven't personally seen them. I don't necessarily need the swipes, but it would have been nice to, say you get a certain amount of swipes for each funnel, but you don't do that. So if you guys aren't good at copywriting, you guys don't want to take the time to write emails, pay the $27 and get the proven to convert um, email swipes, guys. You get hundreds of them. So that's pretty awesome. So I consider it bad because you got to pay to get them, even for these five funnels. Um, but for the price, you just can't beat it because these emails you pay 27. I mean, you can make 100x that, guys, just with these emails. So that's pretty much the bad. So it's not too much bad, guys. I mean, I haven't seen the full program yet, like the funnel building and all that. I use a different software to build my funnels, um, but I can imagine that it's probably going to be just as easy as the funnels they have now. So with that being said, let's talk about the prices, guys. You guys probably want to know about the prices, right? How much is it going to cost? Is this another funnel where I'm going to have 100 different upsells? And I'm going to just say, yes, it is. It doesn't have 100, but I've had a couple of people say, I didn't know I was going to get upselled, and I don't even know what I'm buying now. And it's like, guys, like this is a business. McDonald's, they upsell you every time you go in, right? They want you to get, a bigger French fry, a bigger drink. My Dish Network, your TV satellite dish. You got to pay for more channels. So the more value you're going to get, the more you got to pay. It's only right. It's only fair. So expect upsells and downsells. It's just the way it goes. You don't have to buy them. They're just there for people who may want to buy them. So um, let's talk about the prices here. So the affiliate funnel clones, just the front end offer, guys, is $27 right now, and it's one time, guys, one time. So out of everything that I said, as far as the 5 proven capture pages, you don't need a website, you don't need to build these pages, you don't need to test them, you don't need to host them. You can build your own list. You get traffic training, you get email swipes. Um, you get that for a one-time payment of $27, and it's because it's in launch. So this $47 is, I'm assuming, whenever they get out of this launch, they're probably going to go to 47. So it's best if you got in now, right before they went to the $47. So then you're going to see another upsell for $47, and that's the premium affiliate funnel clones. And what you're going to get is 25 more done for you funnels that are proven to convert. And what I mean by proven to convert is that they've used them, they've made money with them, and now they're allowing other people to use them. So that'll be 25 plus your 5 from your normal one. That'll be 30 different done for you funnels, guys. And they're not just, they're different niches, so it's not necessarily make money online niche. They're going to be different niches. So different niches, more products equals more commissions, right? The next upsell is going to be $27, and you're going to get access to the email vault. And that's where I told you that you would get hundreds of proven emails. And again, when I say proven, it's because they've used them, they've made money with them, and now they're sharing those. So you get hundreds. So this alone right here, I would pay $27 just to get some of these emails. Like, forget all this other stuff. As I said, I build my own funnels with a different software, but emails, yeah. I mean, that's for hundreds of them and proven to convert. $27 is nothing, guys. This can make you a lot more than $27. The next upsell is the studio, the funnel build studio, where you can come in and you can build unlimited funnels for different products. So if you don't have a funnel builder, and you want to, you like all these funnels that they give you, but you want to be able to build your own funnels because maybe you see a product that they're not offering here and you want to promote it. That'll be $47 per month or $297 a year. So you got a little bit of savings here. Um, it's really, you know, like I said, I haven't built the funnels with the system, but these guys are building them in 60 seconds, guys. So, I mean, that, if you're strapped for time, maybe so, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. So with that being said, let me show you the back office here. I'm just going to run through it real quick and show you guys here. So this is the back office. Really freaking simple, guys. If you want to learn more about traffic, click here, get some traffic training and resources. And this is on training on how to build your funnels and connect your autoresponders. Of course, they got Facebook groups. You got your funnel studio where you can build your funnels. These are your funnels that you've been given, and then of course your email vault. Each one of these tabs, when you click in there, they got training videos to show you exactly what you need to do in that section. And they're all short, sweet, guys. No fluff here, just kind of straight to it. But let me show you how simple this is. So first of all, you can store your leads on their cloud servers if you want. You don't have to, but you would click this on. Then you would connect your if you didn't have an autoresponder, that's how you would do. You would store your email leads on their cloud servers, and then whenever you do get you an autoresponder, then you can just export your leads. So that's pretty cool. That's a big plus right here, guys. If you want to connect your autoresponder, which I suggest, it's all about list building. The money's in the list, fortune's in the follow up. You would just turn, or you can leave it on, the cloud server, and then you would connect your autoresponder. Very simple. If you don't know how to do that, they tell you exactly how to do it here. But I've connected many of autoresponders to third party softwares, and it's really simple. But here's your funnels. They're all kind of laid out here for you guys. So what happens is this is one product that they've tested and it converts and it's a good product. So you don't have to spend the time to go and research these products, find out if they're good, whatever. You just click here to promote, and these guys are going to pretty much guarantee that you're going to get approved to promote these products. You get your link. You see my link here. I put it in there. I saved it. And now this is my brand new funnel. I'll just show you what one of these look like. So for that product, this is the funnel that I can use. See that, guys? Look at that. I mean, I don't know about you, but this is a beautiful funnel. Some of you may say it's ugly, but some of the ugliest funnels have converted the best for me, guys. So this is it. So if somebody puts their email here, they're going to go straight to your autoresponder, and you're going to be able to use the emails, assuming that you get the emails from affiliate funnel clones, and try to make a sale. When they buy, you get commissions. That's how simple it is, guys. You put in here, your affiliate link goes into the funnel, and boom, you got your funnel. You didn't have to make it. Same thing with this product. You put your affiliate link, then you can promote this. They all go to your autoresponder, guys. So that's pretty much it. So when let's finish up here. So my honest opinion, guys, the price, check. It's well worth it, guys, for the price. And like I said, just the emails alone is worth that price, guys. The product, it's solid, guys. They're funnels. Funnels convert. You don't need website and blogs anymore. These one-page websites can make you a ton of money, guys. So as far as the product that you're purchasing, yes, well worth the price. $27 one time. The time that you're going to save by using a product like this, huge, guys. So even if you went, with the upsell number 3, the time that this is going to save you guys, especially if you get the email, is just huge. So to me, your ROI is going to be huge, guys. So that's pretty much my video here. So thank you guys very much.